विनायका गजवदना गणनाका गजवदना विनायका गजवदना विनायका गजवदना विनायका. Om Shri Sai Ram, welcome you, one and all, to view this little gift as a token of our love to our grandfather, Dr. K.B.R. Prasad, on the joyous occasion of his 70th birthday in 2008. Babu Rajendra Prasad was born on the 28th March 1938 to Sri Kanuri Narayan Murthy and Srimati Ratnama in the village of Uppaluru in Krishna district, Andhra Pradesh. Born amongst 5 siblings consisting of 2 elder sisters and 2 elder brothers, he is youngest in the family and fondly called as Chitti Babu by one and all. Gudlavaleru and completed his class 11 from the Gudlavaleru High School in 1955. He would stop the local train in Kodram village so that juniors, girls and others could make it to the train to school. He continued his intermediate at the Gudivada College, Gudivada. After completing his intermediate in 1957, he joined the Hindu College, Machilipatnam to pursue the degree of Bachelor's of Science with Physics as his main subject. After having completed his BSc degree in 1959, he pursued MSc Tech. He graduated the Masters in 1962 from the Andhra University, Voltaire. In 1962, he underwent a 6-month training at the National Instruments Company, Calcutta, and another training at the Overseas Communication Service Center, again at Calcutta. In 1963, he joined the Defence Services Laboratory, Delhi, where he worked for about 3 years, and he had an opportunity to work on the Indo-Pakistan borders during this period. In 1965, he joined the Defence Electronics Research Laboratory at Hyderabad. In the same year, 1965, on June 18th, he married his sister's daughter, Basha Mani. Of 1967, 69 and 1970 saw an addition to his family with 3 sons, Narayan Murthy, Srinivas and Ramakrishna respectively.
In 1970, they moved to Bangalore. He joined the prestigious Indian Institute of Science at Bangalore. He was an assistant professor in the aeronautics department at IISc. While serving at the IISc, he came to know about Sri Sathya Sai Baba from his colleagues. While at Vrindavan, he had an opportunity to listen to Bhagwan's discourse, which impressed and inspired him a lot.
part of the Sai Seva organization, he joined the Sevadal in 1977 and became the Sevadal convener of Bangalore district of the Sri Sathya Sai organization in the year 1979. While at Vrindavan, he came to know that Swami was starting an arts and science college in Prashanti Nilayam. Despite strong opposition from family members, he decided to move to Prashanti Nilayam in 1980. He joined the Sri Sathya Sai Arts and Science College at Prashanti Nilayam as a lecturer in the Department of Physics in 1980, which was a very strong desire of his to be with and serve Swami. In 1982, he became the reader in the Sri Sathya Sai Institute of Higher Learning at Prashanti Nilayam.
While being a faculty at the Sri Sathya Sai Institute of Higher Learning, he continued to do his PhD in aerospace engineering at IISc Bangalore. He was conferred the doctorate in the year 1982. In 1985, Swami decided to set up a space theatre in the institute. At this time, he was nominated as a director of the space theatre. He was sent to Spitz Space System in Pennsylvania, USA for a brief orientation of the planetary equipment. Due to his background in electronics, he could easily understand the working of the various systems used in the planetarium. Most other people at the training center were astronomers and found it difficult to understand the usage of the various equipment.